Good morning, students. Can you hear me? Yes, good morning to all of you. Now check your audio and video quality if there are any problem. Okay. So good morning to everyone. Yes, there is a question from Annesha, sir, where first exam, which chapters will come from chemistry? That is only the chapter that is material, metal and non-metal. Metal and non-metal. Annesha, have you heard it? Metal and non-metal will come in the first exam, when it will be takes place. Okay. Okay, so everyone open your science book and tell me. Very fine. Now tell me, in the last class I have discussed about exercise questions or only the theoretical part of this chapter? Some part was left on this plastics, that is synthetic fiber and plastic. Yes. Yes. This is Ziaul. It is still now not decided when the exam will start. Yes, page number. Exercise of the chapter synthetic fiber and plastic. Once microphone is on, mute it now. Sir, any extra question will come in part 1 exam. Extra question, that means you have to solve the exercise and also the in-text question also. Exercise question and in-text question is there, because there will be only 20 marks exam. For this there will be 7 questions from each part, that is physics, chemistry and math. So 3 part, that means round about 7 marks. Okay. Now 7 marks, there should be some 2 marks question, 1 marks question is there. That is, in 1 marks question there should be the fill in the blanks, the multiple choice, true, false, etc. Komal, your microphone is on, so mute it now so that I can continue the class. Chandranath, in the last class what we have discussed, that is I have just completed the theoretical part or I have started the exercise. I am waiting for your answer. We will start exercise. Okay, 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 very fine. So everyone open the, yes, Ranjo, everyone open the page number 41. Before going to that exercise, there were some keywords given. Okay, there was some keywords given. What is acrylic? What is acrylic? So it is a synthetic fiber and it is of soft in nature, acrylic, and it is mainly used in our dress materials or wearing substances or wearing clothes. Next, artificial silk, it is rayon, and we know that it is made from the pulp of the wood. Okay. So it is also a synthetic fiber. Next one, nylon. Nylon, I have discussed that. What is nylon? Nylon is a synthetic fiber, and what is the importance of using nylon? Next one is plastic. It is also a kind of polymer. and I have discussed about what is polymer and monomer. Okay. Now polyester, polythene, rayon, terylene, these are all polymers but of different qualities. Polyester, here the monomer is the ester, polythene, here the monomer is the ethylene. Next one rayon, rayon is also a polymer, and terylene, terylene is the terephthalic acid and next one, that is thermoplastic and thermosetting. You have to differentiate between thermoplastic and thermosetting, and what is synthetic fiber. Okay. So, before going to the exercise, just recap the keywords because these are very important words. Okay. Now, I will start from the question number 1. Everyone open the exercise from question number 1. Question number 1 is that explain why some fibers are called synthetic. Explain why some fibers are called synthetic. Now, from the definition of synthetic fiber, that as it is made by the human beings or it is artificially made. So, as it is artificially made, so it is called synthetic fibers. Now, some fibers are called synthetic. We know the fibers like the wool, the cotton, and these are made by the natural way, that is the fibers we gain from the nature. That means sometimes it is from the plant, sometimes it is from the animals. But synthetic fibers which we have derived artificially, for example, the polyethylene, it is the polymer of the ethylene, and the nylon which is also a polymer. Here different chemical substances used, sometimes caprolactam or sometimes it is the nylon 6,6. So, it is the different substances when polymerized they form the polymeric substances. Okay. So, for this reason these are called synthetic fiber. Now, synthetic fiber, so the answer will be explain why some fibers are called synthetic. As fibers which are made artificially, fibers which are made artificially for the need of civilization, for the need of civilization is called synthetic fiber. Okay. Now, as these are formed by, as these are not formed, as these are manufactured, as these are manufactured by manufactured artificially or synthetically, artificially or synthetically, comma, some fibers are called synthetic fiber. Example, nylon. So, fibers which are made artificially for the need of civilization is called synthetic fibers. As these are manufactured artificially or synthetically, some fibers are called synthetic fibers. Example, nylon. From the first, fibers which are made artificially, write it down first, Oindrila. Trijit, switch off your microphone because the class duration is very small, only 20 minutes. Okay, so you should be careful. In 8 Oak, I have already started the exercise and they are far more apart from you. They are on the question number 6. Okay, fibers which are made artificially for the need of civilization, is called synthetic fiber. Fibers which are made artificially for the need of civilization is called synthetic fiber, full stop. As these are manufactured artificially or synthetically, comma, some fibers are called synthetic fiber. As they are manufactured artificially or synthetically, comma, some fibers are called synthetic fibers. Example, nylon. Completed, Indrila? Just I am repeating once, then I will rub this portion. Just take it. Fibers which are made artificially for the need of civilization is called synthetic fibers. Full stop. As these are manufactured artificially or synthetically, some fibers are called synthetic fiber. Full stop. Example, nylon. Next, coming to question number 2. Coming to question number 2, it is a make tick the correct answer. Okay. Now, rayon is different from synthetic fiber because it has a silk like appearance. It is obtained from wood pulp. Its fibers can also be woven like those of natural fibers. Now, yes, Oindrila sir, I have written, thank you, okay. Okay, now come to the next part. Question number 2. Rayon is different from synthetic fiber because, okay, now I have told that synthetic fiber are made synthetically, but rayon, the source is from the natural, that is the wood pulp is used some here. So, as it is the wood pulp which we get from nature, so it is not called the synthetic fiber, it is an natural fiber. So, the tick mark will be 2B, it is obtained from wood pulp. 2B, it is obtained from wood pulp. It is the correct answer. Question number 3, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. 3A, yes, only B is correct. It is obtained from, yes, Sneha. Question number 2, answer will be 2B because it has a silk like appearance, it is not the proper reason. And last one, its fiber can be woven like those of natural fibers. This is not the reason because this the weaving is same. So, the other point, that is B, which is obtained from wood pulp, for this reason it is not called synthetic fiber. Number 3A. Question number 3A, synthetic fibers are also called dash and dash fiber. Synthetic fiber are also called dash and dash fiber. Chandranath, yes, man-made or artificial and man-made. Okay, everyone is correct. So, synthetic fiber is dash and dash. So, artificial and man-made. Very good answer given by everyone. Question number 3b. Question number 3b. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw materials called dash. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw materials called dash. Chandranath, yes, it is petrochemicals. Now, what is petrochemical? That is petrochemical, we know the crude oil which we get from the earth crust. Okay. Now, when we distill it, what is the process distillation? That is, we have to heat up to get the different substances from that, and at different temperature when we distill it, that means when we suppose taking a crude oil, when we increasing the temperature, at different temperature we get different substances. Okay, because the volatility of the different substances are different. That means petrol, diesel, kerosene, these are obtained from the different temperature. Okay. Now, you can assume that a kerosene is less volatile than that of the petrol. Okay. Kerosene is also volatile, while petrol is much more volatile than that of the kerosene. So, as the volatility is different, and using this property we distill the substances from the crude petroleum oil, and the substances used for the making of the artificial fiber, we can see that I have told earlier that it is the organic, the synthetic organic substances are there. Sometimes that is the polyvinyl chloride. Here the monomer or the mother compound is the vinyl chloride. Now, vinyl chloride is an organic substances which the main origin is that from the petrochemicals or from the crude petroleum oil. Okay. So, this is the chemistry that the petrochemical is used there. Next, question number 3b. Like synthetic fiber, plastic is also a dash. Number C, plastic is also a polymer. Very simple answer. Okay. Now, question number 4, complete this part. Yes, polymer, 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 correct. Okay. Now, coming to the question number 4, give example which indicate that nylon fiber are very strong. So, number 1, so you have to write one introductory sentence. Nylon fiber are very strong, which can be proved by the following examples. By the following examples. Okay. Now, one by one. So, first one, that is, here you should write the advantage of using plastic in place of some metal wire. So, first of all, parachute and rope of rock climbing are made of nylon. Parachute and rope for rock climbing. Next one, lightweight and easy to carry, and lightweight and easy to carry. It is used for the making of that is the articles, that is the sports article, that means the shoes, the belts, seat belts, etc. Up to now I will write number 3 here. Number 3, sports accessories like shoes, bags, etc. are made from plastics. Number 4, it is used for making the seat belts. It is used for making seat belts, nets, etc. Okay. Now 4 points are there. Sir, please repeat one time. Okay. So I am repeating this. Nylon fiber are very strong, which can be proved by the following examples. How point it is an example of strong nylon? Sir, how point it is an example of strong nylon? Okay, nylon fiber are very strong, which can be proved by the following example. Number 1, parachutes and rope for rock climbing. Number 2, lightweight and easy to carry. Sports accessories like shoes, bags, etc. used for making seat belt, nets, etc. Okay, why it is very strong? Because you can see that these are very risky, in the sense that means sports accessories, it should be strong because it is used in the different field, that means in the rain season also. Okay, so it should be strong. Used for making seat belts, it is also a vital role. Seat belts, it is used in the cars and nets. Next one, parachutes and rock for rock climbing. Here also the very risky task is there and it is also very difficult. So as the risky task or the difficult task is or the articles which is made from nylon are used in the difficult purposes or different purposes which is critical. So for this reason it is called the nylon fiber are very strong. It should be the answer to the Chandranath question. Now today up to this only, that is up to question number 4. Okay. Now next day you will remind me that from question number 5 we will start. Okay. Thank you everyone for staying with us. Wait for the next class. Thank you.